My name is Jun Mo. I'm a cloud solution architect with Microsoft. In this example, I work at future-ready government agency and have a request to present Freedom of Information Act request that came into our agency. The prompt: I will ask Copilot to create a cluster column chart from the dataset within my spreadsheet with XY axis, with month and volume, and data labels and a legend. Okay, we're going to run the prompt from Excel where the dataset is. And we're going to paste the prompt and let Copilot do its thing. Almost there. Okay, here we get the sample chart back. And let's go ahead and add to a new sheet. So Copilot created a pivot table along with the chart we asked for, which I can use in my presentation. So I use Copilot as part of my daily routine because it helps me stay efficient and productive. And I really enjoy discovering new ways to make most of Copilot. Do you have a prompt that worked for you? What would you do to improve this prompt? Drop in the comments and let's learn from each other.